listening to.
Safe place, used to dead in the road. We the wolves, you orc, we mob. Blade in my hand with the dead of the world. White plane, Reaper takes it all. Yeah. I'm a virus in your dreams, no light, no hope, just muffled screams. There goes while I woke up and pulled these strings. Blood moon lit up, let the death bell ring. Feel my chest, got the void in the grip. Every breath a curse and every step a crypt. Encrypted in the city's collapse while I raise my fist. Reaper 47, born to abolish the script. I am human, I ain't a beast. Plague from the core of the feast. You speak peace, speak teeth. I was baptized in grief. Fuck did they want from me? Chaos runs from the blackest sky. Whole world burn, let the angels die. Let them die, co-corrupted, can't even cry. Reaper 47, it's a genocide loud. Yeah. Bet you won't look in my eyes. I don't talk, I just purge in the place. Glitch in the flesh, synthetic face. You pray for the peace, but I bring that flame. Armageddon on loop, every soul the same. Genocide televised, broadcast, dome cities go dark. Every time that I step inside the room, no mercy, no face, just a shadow in bloom. I was born in the void, now I'm back from the tomb. Drag my sight through the digital mist. Code drips, block like a funeral wish. Whisper my name when the service glitch. Reaper 47 got the world in a twist.